Hi, I am Manish to represent cryptographic farming. First, let me start my project. As of all, it is guided into Brave browser, which I didn't install cryptographic MetaMask wallet. Let me copy this to Chrome, and this is our project. First, let me explain what our project is trying to explain. First of all, let me raise a query to start explaining my project. Why farming sector is depleting nowadays, comparing the past. According to me, I consider the reasons to be comfortness, profit comparing, and other sectors and so on. So, we are planning a revolution in this sector to attract the youths and farmers to the farming. Let me explain this how. Our algorithm consists of farmers, farmland owners, and activists. Let me explain their roles. First of all, farmland owners list their land in our websites, which will be listed as NFT and for further agriculture bid to check the credibility of the land. Activists refers soil fertility, weather forecast, and other factors affecting agriculture and process them to list. Now, it's where farmers come into act to make use of farmlands to showcase their farming skills. Third, to activists plays a major role in checking the credibility of the farmer's previous works and further proceeds the farming activities and outcome. Now, my friend Abhishek will take on the session.
Hi, this is Abhishek. So we will look out what code we did. So actually, so this is our smart contract which I created, and we have used the structure person, which includes name, activist, withdraw, power, farmer, vote, weight, donated, which is the amount you have donated, and the area name, where the farmer's area is located, and the area size, how much uh, size of area he has. So this is the variable name, and the vote defines whether the farmer has voted or not. So to whom he has voted, and the power says how much vote he has. So that depending on the number of vote, we can declare who is activist. Mostly the activist is a journalist, so he can be of so he is an honest person. We can trust him, and owner is just us. Uh, so the function we have deposit. So anyone who has connected the wallet, he can deposit amount, and withdrawal algorithm, here it is, which gives to the farmer according to our algorithm. So area weightage is how much disaster the area is affected, so we can give a reasonable amount to them. So voting, a farmer can vote so that we can define or declare activists. So, and there's an can withdrawal function, which explains how much amount a farmer or activist can withdraw, where activists can withdraw amount according to their work, and farmers can withdraw the amount according to the area size and locality or damage that happened to them. So declaring from a farmer can be declared by an owner, and that's all. So these are the main functions. So let us see how they are going to work. So here is our site. So first of all, we would connect our wallet. So this is how we connect. Here's a connect button. We are connecting it. So here we are going to try it again. Now see. So here it connects our wallet. So we are just connecting it. So we're connected. So whoever connects, they can fund amount if they have balance. So we are funding to it. So now so you see the transaction. You're seeing that the transaction is happening. So the transaction has finished. Now our smart contract contains zero point 0.1 Tcore. So now we will see how we can declare a farmer. As so we are the owner. who have deployed the smart contract in Tcore. So here over here we can just give the address of a farmer or the size of the area that farmer has and his name, and that where that area is located. This and all we can enter over here and declare him as a farmer. So after declaring, he can sign in as a farmer. After him signing in as a farmer, he can deposit particular amount of uh, he can deposit particular amount. He can also vote. See, as a farmer, he can also just donate particular amount, and he can vote. Uh, yeah, he can vote that he can choose activists depending on that. So here is a claim activist button. Sometimes a farmer can also have a qualification that he can also be activist. So if he meets that, he can just click this button and become an activist. For that qualification, he just needs vote, where collectively he has more than some 20% of vote, he can be an activist. So for that we have this claim activist button. Then that's all. So an activist and a farmer, if he is declared as a farmer, he can sign as a farmer. After claiming himself as activist, he can sign as activist, and owner is just us, and that's all.
Hi, I'm Mohammed Varun. I want to thank Tcore for this wonderful opportunity. So it is. I would like to express our gratitude towards Tcore Foundation. Thanks for us. Thanks for because we have been shortlisted in this event. Thank you for that. So we each have a special something. Can get only a special time of our life, like a small flame. A careful, fortunate few cherish that flame, nurture it, hold it as a torch to light their way. But once that flame goes out, it's gone forever. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.